Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect PayPal to your Stan store for secure and easy payment processing. So now let's dive in. First, you will need to log into your Stan store account. To do this, head to your store's dashboard and where you manage your settings. Once inside, go to the Settings tab and look for the Payments section. Here, you will see different payment processors available for integration. Click on PayPal as your preferred payment option. If you don't have a PayPal business account, you will need to set up before proceeding. Follow the instructions to log into PayPal and authorize the connection with your Stan store. Ensure all the information is correct and confirm the integration. Once connected, perform a test transaction to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can use PayPal's test tools to simulate real payments. Now, you have successfully connected PayPal to your Stan store. You can now accept payments via PayPal. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.